Hello and welcome to episode 7 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. Today we're down in the basement. We're going to go over the bathroom that my husband is doing, completely redoing. He ripped all of it out. If you go back to any of the previous videos, you can see the layout, like how it was, how horrible and old and outdated it was. So if you want to go back and look at any of those videos before we go in here and see what he's currently working on. We're doing this video today because he's going to be working on it a lot tomorrow and the next day. So come on in. As you can see, he ripped everything out and he has already put up the drywall over here. The wall was out of alignment. It was off. It was crooked or something, and so he had to fix that. Don't ask me details. I don't know. We did get a new tub. Put that in. The plumber had to come down and he had to cut more out of this wall right here. As you can see, we got this little thing right here. He's going to do tile along the outside of the shower, and then it's got the drywall, and then he's going to do the tiling on the floor, put the toilet back in, and then put a new vanity and sink. So he's going to be working on that for the next 2 days. So hopefully the next video we can go over to see a little more improvement. As far as the frog is concerned, outside, a lot still needs to be done. We did get the HVAC and the electrical finished, and they're actually working on the siding on the back part. They got half of it done on the back part. The roof is done, and then they've got to come in, do the inspection, and do the insulation, drywall, and then we'll go from there. There's weird noises going on right now because the washer and dryer is running this right there in the room. Here, focus on that. Look, see our washer and dryer? So anyway, that is our latest update. So stay tuned for more updates. See you next time.